Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening. So, karon day ay nakapalit na ko og uniform, school shoes, and shoes. And I decided to buy my sister uniform for school. And this is my school supplies. And I decided to buy a sari-sari grocery. And ang PE guys kay Nano sa Espilandra Paliton. And this is given by Dongjunim. Dongjunim, kamsamida. Bye-bye. Kamsamida.
Dira na ako mo. Naday bunga.
Kita nang baka ya? Ha? Kaya ano na.
These are level 1 students who were creating their reportings. So they will gonna report. Values education on Monday. So they are pairs. Chandria is paired to Chandria. Who's your partner? Jack. And Jaika is partnered with Mary. And Desiree is partnered with Colby. So they are divided into two. So values education will be reported by the level 1 on Monday.